Welcome back to Thesaurus Thrive, your ultimate guide to exploring and enriching your vocabulary. Today, we're diving into the word inventory. So, what does inventory mean in English? At its core, inventory refers to a detailed list of items or goods in stock. It's commonly used in business contexts to track products, supplies, and assets. According to various dictionaries, inventory is synonymous with terms like catalog, list, record, and stock. But let's not stop there. We'll explore a variety of synonyms to expand our understanding and vocabulary. For example, catalog can be used when referring to a detailed list of items available for sale, while a stock might be used in the context of available supplies or merchandise. Each synonym provides a slightly different perspective and usage. Whether you're managing a business, organizing your home, or simply curious about language, understanding the word inventory and its synonyms can be incredibly useful. That wraps up our exploration of inventory. Remember, expanding your vocabulary opens up new avenues of expression. Stay tuned for more linguistic insights on Thesaurus Thrive. Until next time, keep thriving with words.